Today is the day that my book was supposed to be published. And today I want to celebrate the original release date because you guys did so much that it actually got pushed back. And so I want to do something kind of fun. The first way I want to celebrate this is I just made a full-length tutorial on how to paint something with a downloadable PDF that you can actually use to paint directly on if you print it out or transfer the image over. It's over on YouTube. In the process of writing this book, I submitted all sorts of ideas for different things. And this idea is one of the ones that didn't quite make the cut because my editor actually said this was a little bit scary. So if you're watching this, boo. It's a kingfisher. I think they're super cute. So best of both worlds. We get to celebrate and you get to see the kingfisher that didn't quite make the cut. It uses the same supplies and the techniques that are described in the book, so you can do this before or after because there's a lot of supporting information in here that will actually help you with that painting. The second way we're celebrating isn't specifically today, but it is going to be the live event that I'm doing in Loveland, Colorado this Sunday. I can't wait to see some of you. I know not everybody can make it, which leads me into the third way I want to celebrate. Do you know what a book plate is? A book plate is essentially a sticker that has been designed, by the way, this is one of the other paintings that's in the book, but it's been designed in kind of a similar style of the book that you're going to be buying that you might not already have because maybe it's back order or maybe you just haven't bought it yet. And it's an individual sticker that I can sign, and then you can stick in your book whenever it does arrive, wherever you want to put it. I am excited to sign your guys' books in person, but since we're a virtual community, I wanted to kind of create a little bit of a limited edition way for people who are not here to actually get a signed book plate that they can put in their book. We have to have a real talk technology anti-scam conversation real quick though before I tell you how you can get one of these. Anytime there's any sort of a giveaway, that opens the door for scammers to come out of the woodworks and try to send people messages by faking a profile or something like that that are links to try to get phishing information from you. So there is only 100 of these, and there is only one way to get these. Go directly to my website. There is a section for my book. Click on that section on the drop down and click on the book plate form. Once you click there, that is the form. It's a Google form that is going to cut off after 100 people. And yes, by the way, international folks, this applies to you too. I know it might seem kind of silly to tell you guys not to click on a bunch of different things, but anytime I've ever seen anybody do a giveaway, there are almost always scammers that pop up, and I don't want you guys to get taken advantage of. I'm not charging anything for these. I just think it's kind of fun that we can kind of recreate the excitement of a limited edition like book signing event, but virtually. So because they don't cost you guys anything, please just be wary of scammers. If you get a link from somebody that looks like me but is not me, asking for a credit card or something, don't put any information in there. I don't need your credit card. I'm just going to ask you for your address and then put it on an envelope and a little stamp. Anyways, thank you guys so much for making my book so successful that we had to have a celebration day instead of a launch day. The book officially comes out now, October 29th, and I am so excited for you guys to get it.